Modernizing your legacy IBM codebase doesn't require a big bang approach. I will walk you through how organizations can begin modernizing their code by converting fixed format RPG into free format RPG and gradually building from there. Let's begin.
You have these processes that are doing your accounting, that are allowing you to input orders, that are allow you to maintain customer relationships and vendor information. You have all of this code that has been operating also for possibly 20 to 30 years. And it is, as we know, Spore is hiring, so it has become a bit of a behemoth. It's become possibly hard to maintain. There's probably not a lot of documentation. So the first kind of step is documenting the code. AI is getting very good at reading your code and documenting it. You can create AI instructions on what information you want out of your database or out of your code, and it can organize it, document it. You can put it into Markdown. You can put it into Wikipedia. Or wikis, your own wiki. We have this System 36 code. We have this HarpWiki 2, fixed format everywhere. It is hard to read. It is hard to work with. So the median effort would be starting to incrementally update fixed format code to free format. It's easier to read. There's also a course, and probably attended many sessions over the years of modules and service projects, refactoring that to make the big monoliths a bit more modular, to be called in the future by things like APIs and kind of other interfaces that want to use that code and get that information, that business logic, out into more modern language or more modern interface. RPG to X. Type on C#. Whatever it is taking that and just wholesale converting it. There's tools, they're extensive. There's AI assistance, but record level access to SQL, I'm sure you guys know, is not one-to-one. It's going to be complicated. The challenge is that the day that you write everything else in Java, 3 days later, that code becomes legacy because, there's always going to be new versions of any language, any piece of code, new development, new developers. Do we need to go off RPG? Not necessarily. We've got lots of tools and lots of kind of opportunities to modernize that. As soon as you have that RPG in a format that makes sense to the people in your company, and that is, that you're able to iterate on pretty quickly, then you can, I think you're now already at a level that you can kind of jump from there and integrate other languages. And I will say that with a kind of a good advanced tool like Bob, it's going to make this conversion of fixed to free a lot simpler.